So to scribe this back in, or the back edge of this, we simply get it parallel. I'm going to be using the side trim as a reference. There we've got 47mm. Let's see what we got on this side. 47, spot on. So I need 10, so we're 37mm big. So all we need to do is get a 37mm spacer. I'm actually going to use a 36mm spacer because the lead is a mil thick. So I'm going to be using a selection of packers. You know, any of these. You could use a scribing tool like a compass with a pencil on it and set it to 37mm. And you simply just run your 2 blocks. Just imagine this is 37mm. I can't be bothered to look for one. And you simply run that along the back wall with your pencil on it, all the way, marking that line on the worktop. As simple as that. You just cut that with your jigsaw or your plunge saw. I prefer a plunge saw. And job done. So I'll come back to you once it's all finished. So here's the finished product. Scribed in. Remember, we have left a little bit of a void just because it's a window seat, you're sitting on it. If it's tight, firstly it's going to damage the walls, secondly it's going to squeak if there's any movement in the floor. And we've got a nice joint all the way around. Don't know if it's going to get in there. Nice little pencil round. I think with dark colours you can't even tell anyway. There we go. So I hope you enjoyed. Taking something away. If you have, subscribe and like, share. And remember to watch that other video, that one up there right now. Take it easy. Ciao for now.